Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science. It focuses on creating machines that can think and learn like humans. AI systems can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. These tasks include problem solving, understanding language, and recognizing patterns. AI has been around for decades, but it has advanced rapidly in recent years. This progress is due to improvements in computer processing power and data availability. AI is now a part of our daily lives, from virtual assistants to recommendation systems. Understanding AI can be challenging, but it's essential. Let's dive into how AI works and its applications in different fields. AI systems are built using algorithms and data. An algorithm is a set of rules or instructions for solving a problem. In AI, algorithms are used to process data and make decisions. The more data an AI system has, the better it can learn and improve. Machine learning is a crucial part of AI. It allows machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. For example, an AI system can analyze thousands of images of cats and dogs. Over time, it learns to identify cats and dogs in new images with high accuracy. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. It uses neural networks, which are inspired by the human brain. Neural networks consist of layers of nodes, or neurons. These nodes process information and pass it to the next layer. This process helps the AI system recognize patterns and make complex decisions. AI also includes natural language processing, or NLP. NLP enables machines to understand and respond to human language. This technology powers virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. AI is transforming healthcare in many ways. One significant impact is in medical diagnostics. AI systems can analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, to detect diseases. They can identify abnormalities that might be missed by human doctors. AI also helps in personalized medicine. It can analyze a patient's genetic information and medical history. This analysis allows doctors to create tailored treatment plans. Personalized medicine can lead to better outcomes and fewer side effects. Another area where AI shines is in drug discovery. Developing new drugs is a time-consuming and expensive process. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify potential drug candidates. This capability speeds up the research process and reduces costs. AI-powered robots are also making their way into hospitals. These robots can assist in surgeries, making procedures more precise. The finance industry is another field where AI is making a significant impact. One of the primary uses of AI in finance is in investment management. AI systems can analyze market trends and historical data. This analysis helps in making informed investment decisions. Robo-advisors are a popular application of AI in finance. These digital platforms provide financial advice based on algorithms. They offer personalized investment plans and manage portfolios automatically. Robo-advisors make investing more accessible to a broader audience. AI also plays a crucial role in fraud detection. Financial institutions handle vast amounts of transactions daily. AI systems can monitor these transactions in real time. They can identify unusual patterns that may indicate fraudulent activity. Customer service in finance is also benefiting from AI. Chatbots and virtual assistants can handle routine inquiries. They provide quick responses and improve customer satisfaction. Section 5. AI in transportation. The road to self-driving cars. AI is revolutionizing transportation, particularly with the development of self-driving cars. These autonomous vehicles use AI to navigate roads and avoid obstacles. They rely on sensors, cameras, and algorithms to make real-time decisions. Self-driving cars promise many benefits. They can reduce traffic accidents caused by human error. Autonomous vehicles can also improve traffic flow and reduce congestion. This technology has the potential to make transportation safer and more efficient. AI is also used in public transportation systems. For example, AI can optimize bus and train schedules. It can analyze passenger data to predict peak times and adjust services accordingly. This optimization improves the efficiency and reliability of public transit. Ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft also use AI. AI algorithms match drivers with passengers efficiently. They can predict demand and adjust pricing in real time. Section 6. AI in everyday life, smart homes and personal assistants. AI is becoming an integral part of our everyday lives. One of the most visible applications is in smart homes. AI-powered devices like smart thermostats and lights can learn our preferences. They adjust settings automatically to improve comfort and save energy. Personal assistants like Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant are also AI-driven. These devices can perform various tasks, from playing music to controlling smart home devices. They understand voice commands and provide quick responses, making our lives easier. AI is also enhancing our entertainment experiences. Streaming services like Netflix use AI to recommend shows and movies. These recommendations are based on our viewing history and preferences. This personalization helps us discover content we might enjoy. AI is even making its way into our kitchens. Smart appliances like refrigerators and ovens can suggest recipes based on available ingredients. Section 7. Potential risks of AI, ethical and safety concerns. While AI offers many benefits, it also poses potential risks. One significant concern is job displacement. As AI systems become more capable, they can perform tasks traditionally done by humans. This shift could lead to job losses in various industries. Another concern is bias in AI algorithms. AI systems learn from data, and if the data is biased, the AI's decisions will be too. This bias can lead to unfair treatment in areas like hiring and lending. Ensuring that AI systems are fair and unbiased is a critical challenge. Privacy is also a significant issue with AI. AI systems often require large amounts of data to function effectively. This data can include personal information, raising concerns about how it is collected and used. Protecting user privacy is essential in the development of AI technologies. There are also safety concerns with AI, especially in autonomous systems. Self-driving cars, for example, must make split-second decisions in complex situations. Ensuring that these decisions are safe and reliable is crucial. Section 8. Real-world examples of AI in action. AI is already making a significant impact in various industries. One notable example is in customer service. Companies like Amazon use AI-powered chatbots to handle customer inquiries. These chatbots can provide quick and accurate responses, improving customer satisfaction. In the retail industry, AI is used for inventory management. AI systems can predict demand for products and optimize stock levels. This capability helps retailers reduce waste and ensure that popular items are always available. AI is also transforming the field of education. Personalized learning platforms use AI to tailor lessons to individual students. These platforms can identify areas where a student needs improvement and provide targeted practice. This personalized approach can enhance learning outcomes. In agriculture, AI helps farmers increase crop yields. AI systems can analyze soil conditions and weather patterns to recommend optimal planting times. Section 9. The future of AI, opportunities and challenges. The future of AI holds immense potential. AI has the capability to solve complex problems and improve our quality of life. In healthcare, AI could lead to breakthroughs in disease treatment and prevention. In finance, it could make markets more efficient and accessible. However, the future of AI also presents challenges. One significant challenge is ensuring that AI systems are transparent and accountable. As AI becomes more complex, understanding how it makes decisions can be difficult. Developing explainable AI is crucial for building trust. Another challenge is addressing the ethical implications of AI. As AI systems become more autonomous, questions about responsibility and control arise. Ensuring that AI is used ethically and responsibly is essential for its continued development. The future of work is also a critical consideration. As AI automates more tasks, the job market will change. Preparing the workforce for this shift is essential. Section 10. Conclusion. The impact of AI on society. AI is a transformative technology that is changing our world. It offers numerous benefits, from improving healthcare to enhancing everyday life. AI has the potential to solve complex problems and drive innovation across various fields. However, AI also poses risks and challenges. Ensuring that AI systems are fair, transparent, and ethical is crucial. Addressing these concerns requires collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and society as a whole. The impact of AI on society will continue to grow. Embracing its potential while addressing its challenges is the key to a successful future with AI.